Hi, Matt from Envarian here, and welcome to the tutorial video on creating custom and editing default object styles in RapidPlan. When using roads and objects within RapidPlan, you'll notice that you've got a custom or default style that you have set when you use the object. So for example, if I draw a road out here, you'll notice that that's the default style when you draw the road out. Now this can be changed. You can set your own specific object styles, but you can also edit the default style so it's your own specific road each time you use the road tool. So this road that we've got set here you can edit. So for example, if we want it to be a 2-lane but slightly wider, maybe we need to adjust the shoulders. To be just a little bit wider, we can do so. So once you've edited your road, if you're wanting to save that as your specific default road style, what you just need to do is select it once you've changed everything in the properties. Come over here to Save Object Style, and what you just need to do is click on Save as Default Style. So once that's been done, every time you create a road from there on, it will use that specific style that you've created. So I can demonstrate now by coming back to the road tool, and as I draw a road, you'll see that it will then just use that default style that I've created. And when you're going through your different object styles that you have here, when you click on default, it will go back to that default road that you've set. So you can create a number of different object styles just by amending an initial road that you've created just with any settings here. So you might need to change markings. So for example, if we have a road like this, you can actually just save it as an object style, so save it as a new style. This will bring up a new dialog box where you can give it a specific style name. So it might be White Line Road. You can actually give it a description if needed as well, or upload your own custom icon for it. Once done with that, hit save, close, and then if you go to your object styles drop down box, you will see the White Line Road style listed there. So if we go back to a different style road and then back to the White Line Road, you see it'll automatically apply to that specific road that you've selected. So the object styles and default styles are there to save you time, so you don't have to keep editing the road each time that you create a plan. So that's a demonstration on the roads themselves, but you can actually do it for any other objects. So I'll demonstrate with the delineator tool here. So if I just draw a basic delineators on the plan, by default the software will just set it as barrels. This can be changed, and you can also change the default style or save your own object styles. So similar to the way the roads work, you just left click to select the delineation devices. You can then alter to how it's going to be. So I'll select cones, I'll adjust the sizing and the spacing. So now if I want to set that as my default style, again we just left click to select it, make all the changes in your properties, come down to the Save Object Style drop down box and just hit Save as Default Style. So each time I draw out delineation devices now, you'll have them set as your default. So you can also go through, create your own object styles and then have them saved to your object styles drop down box, as mentioned in the road area before. That sums up how to create your own object styles in RapidPlan. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe below to be updated on new content at Envarian.